How to lock messenger chats with a passcode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add an extra layer of security to your messenger conversations. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap on Menu at the bottom right of the screen. Let me show you, and select Settings. From there, tap on Privacy and Safety to open your privacy settings. At this point, tap on App Lock to open the App Lock settings. In the next step, toggle on Require Face ID or Require Touch ID depending on what your device supports. This locks the entire Messenger app behind biometric authentication. From there, once enabled, you'll be asked to verify your fingerprint or face to confirm the setting. At this stage, choose how quickly the lock activates. Options include immediately, after 1 minute, or after 15 minutes. Let me show you. Select whichever suits you best. Following this, tap on Done to save your settings. Once done, Messenger will now require biometric authentication every time you open the app based on your chosen timeout. From here, if you want to lock a specific chat instead of the whole app, open that conversation and tap on the profile name or picture at the top. At this stage, scroll down and look for the Lock Chat option if available and tap on it. Finally, if you ever want to remove the lock, go back to the same app lock settings and toggle it off, or go to the specific chat and toggle off Lock Chat to unlock that conversation. And that's it. If this guide helped you lock your Messenger chats, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.